How to backup and restore line chats. Hi everybody, in this guide I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how can you restore and backup your line chat. To do this, you want to open the line app onto your device. Once you're logged into your account, what you want to do is you click onto the settings icon or the gear icon from the top right and go to chats and click on backup and restore chat history. Now then, you want to tap on the backup now or backup to Google Drive or backup to iCloud. If prompted to set a backup pin, you click onto that. Now open the line app and go to settings, chats, backup and restore chat history. And there you should be able to tap on the backup how often and enable auto backup on as well. Once you've done that, select your desired backup frequency and you should be able to restore as well as backup your chat on line app. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.